Everyone, it's me Luthfia. In the previous video, we have learned about total physical response. So today we are going to learn about communicative language learning. We will learn about the definition of communicative language learning, the principles of communicative language learning, and typical techniques associated with communicative language learning. Let's start with the definition of communicative language learning or communicative language teaching. So it is defined as an approach of teaching a second or a foreign language that focuses on the students or the learner's interaction, whether as the means or the ultimate goal of learning a target language. So the focus of communicative language learning is on how the student use the target language actively in order to increase their fluency and accuracy so that the student can use the target language to communicate with other people in the real life. So it is based on contextualization in which the teacher deliver the materials in the meaningful context. There are some principles of communicative language learning. The first is promoting cooperative and collaborative learning. So in communicative language learning, it is better for the teacher to create the activity in pairs or in group. So the student could work cooperatively on a task. Moreover, by working on a group or in pairs, the student will have time to discuss with their friends, learn from each other, and promote communicative interaction in the target language. The second principle is providing error corrective feedback. So in this communicative language teaching, feedback is really important for the student. By giving the student a feedback, the student will know which one is correct and which one is wrong. So the student will not make mistake or they will not make errors in the next learning activity. The third principle is student-centered. In the communicative language learning, the students are actively participate in the classroom. They are more engaged in the teaching and learning process, while the teacher roles in here is like a facilitator for the students. Okay, there are some techniques that we can apply in the classroom while we are using communicative language learning. The first is authentic materials. So the teacher can deliver the material by using authentic materials such as newspaper, movie, TV show in which the native speaker are speaking and writing, so the student could learn from the native speaker on how the target language are used or on how the target language is used in the real life. The second is games and role play. So as the principal said that the teacher should create or should promote cooperative and collaborative learning. So he or she can use role play or games in the teaching and learning process. It can be structured role play, like the teacher give the student or tell the student what they are going to do or what they are going to be, or it can be free role play, like the teacher gave a free topic to the student and then let the student create their own role play. The last technique is picture strip story. So it can be done by bringing a set of picture in the classroom, and then the teacher show the picture in front of the class and ask the student to create their own story based on the picture. It can be done individually or in pairs or in groups. So that's it about communicative language learning. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section below and see you in the next video. Goodbye.